Morning. Here we go. You're going to practice your one-step rational coefficients equations today. So have your notes handy from yesterday. Those will be your guide through this practice. I'm going to show you the ask on the first and second problem, and then you are going to go to town on the rest. You are going to need a sheet of paper and a pencil to do your work on. I will expect to see that work. I'll show you work on the board here, but you should be doing it on paper and pencil. Okay, so there's two asks for each equation. So there's 4 different equations on the sheet, and you're going to do 2 things with each equation. So the first ask is just find the reciprocal of the rational coefficient. So in number 1, our equation is 6/17 x equals 48. I want to know what's the reciprocal of the rational coefficient. So on your paper, you might write the equation 6/17 x equals 48. And just like we did in our notes yesterday, say, okay, the rational coefficient is what's attached to the variable. That would be my 6/17, right? So that's what I need to take the reciprocal of. So what's the reciprocal of 6/17? Numerator and denominator switch places, so that would be 17/6. And when you type that in, boom, it turns green. Make sure you are typing it right under the word answer. Now you're going to do the same equation, but you're actually going to solve it using that reciprocal on both sides. This is where your notes will guide you from yesterday. So we're going to do the reciprocal 17/6 times 6/17 x equals 17/6 times 48. Remember, this makes 1. That's our goal, to get the rational coefficient to be 1. So 17 times 6 is 102. So we have 102 over 102x, which is the same as 1x. I'm getting out of my circle here. And then on this side, remember, make that whole number into a rational number, an improper fraction, by putting a 1 under it. And now you can multiply across or look for cross simplification. I'm going to give you a hint that you can cross simplify here by 6. And that's all I'm going to tell you. I'm going to want you to do the rest so that you then can type your answer in the box, and you'll just type the answer, whatever the value is, and then you'll go on to the next one. Do the reciprocal of the rational coefficient, actually solve and type the answer. Reciprocal of rational coefficient, solve and type the answer. All right, good luck. If you need any help, reach out, send me an email, and I can help, okay? See you later.